How you doing? I'm gonna do my project on Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a platform that helps teachers organize their information in one place where the kids can gather all of the things they need to be successful in class. So the first thing we're gonna do is head to Google Classroom. The way that you get to Google Classroom is by typing in classroom.google.com, and then they're going to ask you to sign in. You're going to use an email address to sign in. After you do that, the next thing we must do is create our first classroom, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go to the button where it says create or join classroom. I click on that. I'm going to drop down to where it says create classroom. Click on that. I am going to type in first period, just for generic, and then I'm going to put geo or geometry for my class period, and I'm going to go ahead and create the class. Now, after creating the class, it gives you a welcome message. Tells you all the things that you can do with it. You can create quizzes and that type stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and click out of it. And now what I'm gonna do is go to adding students. Now the way that you can add students is by clicking on the tab that says students, and it's a couple of ways that you can add students. The first way is by inviting students using their email address. Put their email address in there and invite them that way. That's one way. Another way that you can invite students is by using a class code, where you can click on it and you can display it. You can display class code in a classroom just like this. If you need it to be bigger, you can go ahead and click this button and it shows full screen for all the kids to write down the class code, and that's how you can enter kids into the classroom. Alright. The next thing we're going to talk about is how to create an assignment. So I'm going to go to stream, and down here at the bottom it's a plus button where you can create an assignment. I create assignment. I'm gonna say, I don't know, quiz 1. I don't know, just for the purposes of this tutorial, I put quiz 1 here, and then I go and I can change the due date. I can go ahead and put a due date on here if I want to. I'm going to say it's due the 29th of this of this month. You can change the topic header. You can create a topic header, and it sorts it by the topic, so it helps it organize everything. I go ahead and actually assign. I assigned it to all students. You can assign it to a group of students. Like, you know, if you want it just for first period, you can assign it for just first period. What else? Okay, and that's how you assign an assignment. Now you can grade and you can give feedback on the individual students straight from here. You can grade it and everything from here. This about button, you can add class material in the about button. So I'm going to go ahead and put my class syllabus here. Syllabus. class syllabus there. I'm going to go ahead and attach the class syllabus. So I've already attached the class syllabus, and there you go. You can have that information. I hope that this was a quick synopsis of how Google Classroom works. If you have any questions, you can email me. Bye.